In this video, we are going to see how we can delete any specific story on TikTok that you have posted on your profile. Perhaps you have done it accidentally or you have purposely did it, but now you want to delete that completely. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to your profile on the bottom right hand corner. And once you're in the profile, you will see this little icon of yours with either your letter or whatever logo you have added it here. You click on that and your story starts playing. So here, let's say we want to delete the story. First of all, let's select the story. This is what you want to delete. Click on the three dots. And from here, if we swipe towards right, we have this delete option right here. Click on that and it will ask you to confirm the deletion. And there you go. It is deleted. Let's delete the second story. This is the last one. Click on the three dots at the bottom and we swipe towards right, click on delete and confirm to delete it. So that is how. Now if we click on it, we totally got rid of all of the stories that we recently posted on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.